In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to hide your Instagram following and followers list. This enhances privacy, limits unwanted attention, and reduces social pressure. It helps protect your personal connections from being scrutinized or approached by strangers. To do this, simply head to your Instagram. Now guys, if you have been on Instagram for some good time, you will notice such accounts whereby if you head to their following list, there is this notification that says, only that particular account can see all followers. Well, this usually works on such huge accounts, but if you want to hide your followers and following list as a small account owner, simply head to your Instagram settings. You will want to scroll down onto this option of account privacy and just switch to a private account. Your followers and following list will only be granted to only your approved followers. Well, that's how easy it is to hide your followers and following list as a small Instagram account owner. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.